we are discussing all the tricky red flags and green flags and it's basically like a quiz. तो हम अपने opinions देंगे and अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका opinion कुछ different है तो आप comment पे ज़रूर हमें बताना. Your partner has a large social circle but they also tend to prioritize their friends' needs over yours. Partner has a history of dishonesty but they claim they've changed and are committed to transparency. This is so tricky. Oh my god, all are so tricky. Which one to ask? Your partner is very private about their past and doesn't like to talk about it. Is it a red flag or a green flag? Hi guys, I'm Kafya
and I'm Rashi
and welcome to our channel, The Coffee Comfort.
Okay, so इतना तो constant रहता है. Okay, so ठीक है.
Let's start.
Basically आज का जो conversation होने वाला है, it would be very fun, informative at the same time,
and fun for you also. It's kind of
also
interactive also.
Yeah.
You can also engage in this.
मतलब अगर हम अपना ओपिनियन शेयर कर रहे हैं और अगर आपका कुछ और ओपिनियन है या कोई और पीओवी है, पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, देन आप भी मुझे कमेंट करके बताना. एंड या लेट्स बिगिन. आपने टाइटल तो देखा ही होगा.
हाँ. और रिलेशनशिप के रेड फ्लैग्स एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग्स आई थिंक आप सबको पता होंगे कि रेड फ्लैग्स आर बेसिकली कि ओ माय गॉड रन अवे फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन.
यू आर अ ग्रीन फ्लैग टुडे.
आई एम अ ग्रीन फ्लैग टुडे एंड ऑलवेज. एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग्स आर कि हाँ यार बी विद दिस पर्सन. So, and you are a red flag.
Never, guys, never.
I'm never a red flag.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
yes.
Today we are going to do a very fun segment, and I think relationships में ना बहुत ही there is a very thin line sometimes.
Yeah.
Is it really a red flag? Am I overreacting?
Yeah. So confusing.
Is it a green flag or am I being too entitled?
Am I the red flag only? Am I one who is the red flag? So these are the questions which come up.
बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है.
Yeah.
तो आज we are discussing all the tricky red flags and green flags and it's basically like a quiz. तो हम अपने opinions देंगे and अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका opinion कुछ different है तो आप कमेंट पे ज़रूर हमें बताना. एंड ये जेन्युइनली हमने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. सो लास्ट तक देखना एंड यू नेवर नो आपको क्या हेल्प कर जाए, कब कहाँ किसको क्या मदद कर जाए रिलेशनशिप में. सो लास्ट तक देखना, अपने ओपिनियन जरूर शेयर करना एंड जब मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी तो आप भी बताना इज इट अ रेड फ्लैग फॉर यू और इज इट अ ग्रीन फ्लैग फॉर यू.
लेट्स कीप द बेस्ट juiciest question for the last.
चलो let's see
so
what
that
comes
we
up.
see कौन stick around करता.
Okay. So the first one is your partner is very private about their past and doesn't like to talk about it. Is it a red flag or a green flag?
Obviously red flag है. इसमें क्या है? Red flag in terms of that कि आप फिर ना समझ ही नहीं पाओगे in which place they're coming from in any situation. If they're angry, if they're frustrated.
I don't think it's a red flag, complete red flag.
नहीं, for me it would be a red flag. ऐसा नहीं कि बंदा ही गलत है, ऐसा red flag है.
वही वाला red flag नहीं है मेरा, total red flag नहीं लग रहा मुझे.
बंदा गलत वाला red flag नहीं है. Red flag ये है कि भाई फिर समझे कैसे, आपके क्या triggers हैं, आपको कैसे we can help also.
This is all so deep कि you genuinely have to know the person in and out. Then you can really understand why they are reacting the way they are reacting, why they say the things they say.
Yes.
So
to be able to also
not as a person, it's not a red flag.
No. It is a red flag for a relationship.
पर वो भी मुझे लगता है कि after a certain point, it becomes a red flag. Until then, it's not really.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a major red flag.
नहीं, but अगर serious relationship है and they know that they will continue.
इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि after a certain point, कुछ time होने के बाद months या years, then I think you should be comfortable enough to share.
Yeah.
But तब तक it's not really a red flag. I think
it will always be a red flag for me.
अभी
apparently
but
notice
if you
नहीं
meet
होगा.
someone for
Yeah.
example and
Then it is
it's
not a
been
relationship ना.
in चलो ठीक है you are in a relationship but I think कि you are always constantly getting to know the person. Always, you can never know
Yeah.
someone completely.
Yeah.
They always have their inner world.
Yeah.
So I think that till a certain point, it is okay to keep it private till you feel like okay now I can really share.
But the question says कि उसने पास का कुछ भी नहीं बताया.
Doesn't like to talk about it.
Yeah. So if he doesn't want to talk
Okay,
about
just say red or green.
red.
For me, it's not really a red flag. I won't say it's a green flag, but it's not a red flag. for
अच्छा,
me.
let's say red or green. And what is this answer? I said red. उसके बाद बोल रही है not a green, not a red.
ठीक है तो
Okay.
मेरे हिसाब से रेड फ्लैग नहीं है चल सर्टेन पॉइंट अब मैंने बोला है क्योंकि ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस है रिलेशनशिप ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट ऐसे नहीं होती रेड एंड
For
ग्रीन नहीं
me,
होती
इसमें ये ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि देखो मैं बता रही हूँ इंसान की मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ कि इंसान रेड फ्लैग है. ये जो क्वालिटी है या जो सिचुएशन ये पैदा करेगी ना ये क्वालिटी दैट वुड बी अ रेड फ्लैग.
ओके लेट्स मूव ऑन डेफिनेटली अपना इसमें आप ओपिनियन देना जेन्युइनली हम लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं अगर आप अपने ओपिनियंस देते हो इवन इफ हमसे अलग होते हैं एंड वी डोंट जज वी डोंट ऐसे कुछ इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ओपन एंड सेफ स्पेस हियर सो यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट एंड वी ऑल्सो डू नॉट अप्रिशिएट कि कोई कमेंट करे और कोई और उस कमेंट पे कुछ उनको अलग से क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है कुछ भी नेगेटिव टॉक कर रहा है वी डोंट अप्रिशिएट दैट सो इट्स अ सेफ स्पेस फॉर एवरीवन यू नो
वेरी वेल सेड. हम ऐसा कोई भी कम्युनिटी डेवलप नहीं करना चाहते जिसमें पीपल आर यू नो क्रिटिसाइजिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली और हेट कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं. वी डोंट अप्रिशिएट ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Okay. The next one is
या
these are actually very tricky. God. Oh my God. All are so tricky. Which one to ask?
just say
Your partner often gives you the silent treatment when they are upset, but they claim it's just because they need time to process their emotions. Is it a red flag or is it a green flag?
depends upon what happens after they process it.
But according to the situation, just tell me what is it a red flag or is it a green
It is
flag?
not a red flag.
It's
for
not
sure.
a red flag. I think you should always allow your partner the time.
Yeah.
कि हाँ, it's okay. You can
Yeah.
take your time. You can process your emotions. It is okay. I personally, if you have seen our podcast also, I'm not the kind of person. या तो जो खुद से इतना पूछे अगर कोई बोल रहा है उसको स्पेस चाहिए या मुझे कोई ऐसे करे तो मैं भी अप्रिशिएट नहीं करूंगी सो फॉर मी इट्स अ ग्रीन फ्लैग इट्स नॉट अ रेड फ्लैग your significant other tends to dismiss your feelings but they also make an effort to listen to you and understand your perspective.
So they are trying to understand, but then it is a confirmation bias. उनको पता है कि क्या सही है, but they are also saying कि चलो अपना बता दो. But then ultimately this is what I believe in, and yours is false.
For me, it's a red flag.
Yeah,
It's a red flag, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, because why are you dismissing in the first place? If you are dismissing me and then you are okay, अच्छा चलो बताओ क्या हुआ. पर तुमने पहले तो मुझे dismiss कर दिया. तो
और उसमें ये
I
है
think
कि
it's red
at
flag.
the end वो अपना opinion जो है वो ही सही मानेगा. So then
No, that is not what they're saying.
So
He often tends to dismiss your feelings, but they also make an effort to listen to you and understand your perspective.
okay, they're trying to understand, but then they're also dismissing. So
I think they're trying to understand where you're coming from, but after that, what you're feeling, that they're dismissing. This is
yeah.
what this is.
Dismissing itself is a red flag क्योंकि सामने वाले के opinions और ये सब करने के लिए आप open रहो at least. And yeah, then you can choose whatever feels right for you, but then don't dismiss it right on the face.
Okay. The next
flag.
one is your partner respects your boundaries, but they also get frustrated when you don't want to do something they've planned.
This is not a red flag.
What is
Your
it?
partner is a human only ना human ही है ना भगवान तो है नहीं. Obviously upset होगा
it's
क्यों
not
नहीं
a red
होगा?
flag, guys.
उसे कुछ प्लान किया है थोड़ा तो अपसेट होगा ना.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a green flag. It's a very human thing
yeah,
to
it's
do.
a green flag. रेड और ग्रीन ऐसे आप डिसाइड ही नहीं कर
अभी ये बताओ योर पार्टनर हैज अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ डिसऑनेस्टी.
मैं यही बोलना चाह रही थी कि एक पैटर्न होना चाहिए.
Your partner has a history of dishonesty, but they claim they have changed and are committed to transparency. This is so tricky to deal with in real life.
This I have seen with many clients. मैं उनको क्या बोलती हूँ दैट यू कैन नॉट बी इन रिलेशनशिप फॉर योर ओन सेक. मान लो सामने वाला ऑनेस्ट हो गया अचानक से, देन ऑल्सो यू विल नेवर फील, आप कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगे, यू विल ऑलवेज हैव ट्रस्ट इश्यूज. सो देन योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज गोइंग टू.
But then tell me, अगर कोई ऐसा बंदा सही में है and he is dishonest,
या
अभी वो बदल रहा है and he
Yeah.
is genuinely trying to, I'm just going by the situation, he is genuinely trying to be transparent and change. तो अब उसका क्योंकि ऐसा हिस्ट्री रहा है तो कोई उसको चूज ही ना करे कभी.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है, बट अगर आप ही के साथ वो डिसऑनेस्ट रहा है ना बहुत टाइम से, सो देन इट बिकम्स अ मेंटल बर्डन एंड योर मेंटल हेल्थ विल
Is
सफर.
it a red flag or is it a green flag?
रेड फ्लैग.
I believe people can change. I genuinely believe
Yeah.
that. But again, there has to be a very strong and clear intent. You get to know that. Then I think it's okay. I don't think it's a complete red flag.
I also believe that people can change if they want to.
Yeah.
But for the other person it would be a red flag क्योंकि उनका हमेशा mentally they will not all मतलब वो 100% श्योर ही नहीं रहेंगे. अगर आपने उन्हीं के साथ चीट किया है, डिसऑनेस्ट हुआ है, जो भी, then they will not be able to 100% trust you and that is going to make them suffer mentally. So then it is a red flag.
This again. Your partner tends to blame others for their mistakes. But they also take responsibility for their actions when confronted.
When confronted, again, उसके अगर
Tends to blame others for their mistakes. Their own mistakes, they blame others. खुद की गलतियां किसी और पे थोप रहे हैं, पर जब आपने उन पे confrontation की तब बोलेंगे हाँ चलो it's my responsibility, I take the ownership.
not a complete green or red flag I would say क्योंकि maybe they have not been taught to take ownership. Maybe they have the fear of being wrong or they have fear of being rejected.
But
or
अगर confront
whatever.
कर रहे हो और वो बोल रहे हैं कि okay I accept,
Yeah.
very tricky यार, genuinely very tricky these questions are.
Now we have to, यही मैं बोल रही हूँ, इन questions में ना अपन ऐसे नहीं बता सकते, अपन तो कुछ भी बोल देंगे अभी, but then when something happens with someone in real life, then they feel the impact. Now we cannot imagine the worst or either the best case scenario.
I will say it's a red flag.
Yeah.
I have decided it's a red flag because your partner tends to blame. मतलब करता ही रहता है ना, करता ही रहता है किसी और को blame. अब जब कोई कर ही रहा है blame, उसकी आदत में ही ये है, अब आप उसके मुंह पे ले आओगे बिल्कुल कि you have done this, तो what will that person say? Yes, I have done it.
Okay.
So how
in
does
that-
it make you a
that-
green
Now
flag?
the whole tonality has changed because of how you're speaking.
is-
Then it becomes a red flag.
This is what I am perceiving
Yeah.
of it, so I'm saying it's a red flag.
I agree.
Mm,
These are very tricky questions.
Yeah.
And, if, for example, if I have clients, then I cannot tell them on the face on the very first minute.
These
This is a
are
disclaimer.
just situational questions
Yeah.
that you can take part in, engage in the quiz. But when it happens really, then
Yeah.
of course, humans can't be ऐसे मैं इस हिसाब से नहीं बता
Categorize,
सकती
we
ना,
cannot,
तो
they're not structured or objective, measurement criteria or something.
या बेसिकली वो तब पूरा उस पर डिपेंड करता है, तो उसको एकदम प्रैक्टिकल वे में
वैसे
उस
मत
वे
ले
में मत ले
लेना.
लेना बिकॉज
Yeah.
द एंटायर सिचुएशन कैन बी डिफरेंट. Your partner is very emotional and expressive, but they also have a tendency to lash out at you when they're upset. Red flag.
Yeah.
Big red flag
You
it is.
cannot.
This
lash
is, I
out.
think this is a real life situation which can happen in the same way as it is given.
Yeah.
It is a red flag, and अगर आपके साथ ये हो रहा है, girl or boy, it
Yeah.
is a major red flag. So just,
Yeah.
you know.
Just you should not tolerate this bullshit.
Yeah,
ऐसे
never.
आप लैश आउट नहीं कर सकते किसी पे. और थोड़ा बहुत जैसे चलता है कि जैसे गुस्सा में आपने थोड़ा एंगर वैसे निकाल दिया, बट लैशिंग आउट एंड कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग.
and they're saying they have a tendency to do that.
So
Usually these
then-
things are habits only.
Yeah.
And if the person is not capable of
Processing.
managing and processing his own emotions, then I don't think so that that
Yeah.
person should be in a relationship in the first place only.
Yeah,
So
please
don't
go heal yourself, emotionally regulate yourself, and then think about being in a relationship.
Your partner tends to bring up the past grievances during arguments, but they also make an effort to resolve the issue.
Green flag. If something is bothering them,
Yeah,
ना
it's
तो वो
okay,
तो
it's a green
निकलेगा
flag.
ही conversations.
Yeah, okay, it's a green flag for me also. Your partner tends to be very direct and blunt in their communication, but they also tend to be honest and transparent.
Now see, we have already discussed कि आप जितना भी honest होना चाहते हो, there is a way to be honest. You should not, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये है सच्चाई लो मुंह पे फेंक के मार दी. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए यार, सच्चाई बताओ, अच्छे वे में बताओ.
Yeah.
What is this?
Direct and blunt in their communication, but they also tend to be honest and transparent. I think
Blunt is
sometimes
the
it's
wrong
a red
word.
flag, sometimes it's a green flag, honestly.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just need someone to be direct and transparent.
Yeah. But
For
not all
me
the time.
personally, I'm the sort of person, I myself also am like that. I know when to be soft with you and when to, a little be like that and handle you with all the love and care. But I also know when to be direct. I am not going to be someone who is always coddling you and being like,
Tough love and soft love both should be
yeah.
in balance.
So, वो
but
नहीं
if
होता
they
मेरे
have
से.
the tendency to do this always, तो
Nah,
गलत
then
ही है
it is
ना.
wrong, but otherwise I think it's red and green both. Only.
Yeah.
Your partner has a large social circle, but they also tend to prioritize their friends' needs over yours.
Tend to. So it is a habit. Of course, this happens. मेरे को लगता है ये ऐसा बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता है actually, because guys tend to sometimes have huge social circles and tend to do that. हो सकता है ये रियल सिचुएशन लगती है, मतलब tend to अलग चीज है, मतलब if it is a habit and if it is like a pattern, then red flag. Then it's a red flag. Yeah, obviously because you two should prioritize. आप एक दूसरे को prioritize करोगे ना हमेशा, या कभी बार चलता है, but not always.
Your significant other lies to you about small things, but they say it's just to avoid hurting your feelings.
Red flag. Lies, small things. You should not lie to your partner.
मतलब कि छोटी मोटी बात में ठीक है छोड़ो, avoid मतलब feelings hurt हो जाएंगी इसकी.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना.
It's a red flag, guys. It is a red flag.
क्योंकि यार आप बताओ, आप खुद केपेबल नहीं हो क्या कोप करने के लिए उस हर्ट से?
Exactly.
आप दूसरों को क्यों ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हो? आप बोलो कि आई एम केपेबल टू हैंडल वट एवर इमोशन इट ब्रिंग्स अप.
Your partner gets jealous when you talk to someone of the opposite sex, but they say it's just because they love you so much. Big red flag it is, a big red flag. Biggest red flag यार ये. पता नहीं कुछ लड़कियों को अच्छा लगता है. My partner is so possessive, he loves me so much. No, अभी धीरे-धीरे अच्छा लग रहा है. बाद में जाकर you will feel strangled.
Has cheated on you in the past, but they say it was a one-time mistake. This happens, I think, with a lot of people,
my God.
and so many people have, I don't know how many explanations, but he did this then, na, but this is our history, but that is our this thing. It's a red flag.
Yeah. Cheat
It
word
is a red
comes
flag.
and I stop my thinking. इसमें क्या है? क्या जस्टिफाई कर लोगे? आप खुद को कर लिया, मुझे तो नहीं कर सकते आप देखो कभी. So many clients come up and say same thing. It is
I
a red
think,
flag. You cannot convince me
but
otherwise.
I think also thinking from a place of compassion. Right now, अगर ऐसे situation पड़े तो अपन को लगता है कि yes, it's a red flag. But genuinely being in that situation, it gets very tricky.
Yeah, of course.
Because you are so emotionally
Yeah, of course.
this thing,
I'm
but
not even. Yeah.
in your right mind, you will also say that it's a red flag.
Yeah, if you are seeing it from a distance, if you are seeing it from the perspective of just the observer, you are not associating any emotions, then you would also say the same thing.
Your partner tends to prioritize their own need over yours, but they say it's just because they're stressed.
Sometimes it's okay, sometimes you would also appreciate that thing about them, but not always. I would like someone to just let me be when I'm stressed, kabhi kabar, but not always. I cannot put that burden or put that thing on them also. Then.
Yeah, I mean, Firstly, I have a really different take on this. I genuinely don't think that you should be in such a dependent and needful state in the first place that if मतलब इतना क्या वो होता है डिपेंडेंसी कि you are like how did you not prioritize my need and then he's like I was stressed so I just prioritize my need.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying, that it is your also thing that you should give that space is what I'm saying. So if you're not giving that space to a person, then you might be a red flag in that whole situation, because everyone needs to process whatever stress or emotion they are facing खुद से थोड़ा टाइम दे के. कुछ लोगों को होता है हैबिट ना यार, कुछ उनको स्ट्रेस बर्स्ट करने के लिए कुछ होगा जो उनको करना होगा, देन यू शुड ऑल्सो गिव दैट स्पेस, राइट? If you're not giving, then you are the red flag in that situation, I would say.
And the last and the most common one, that your significant other has a close friendship with someone of the opposite sex, but they swear it's platonic. They swear. Now this
You
is
will
very
get the
tricky.
feeling. This is not even something which
Is
we can
it
categorize.
a red flag or is it a green flag? For me, it's not really so much of a red flag.
That is what I'm saying. I have.
When they're
मैं बता नहीं
swearing,
सकती.
when they are swearing that मतलब when they swear that it is platonic, and I think why would you be if you are in a relationship with someone, I am sure that you would be very very aware of the kind of character of
That is what I wanted to say.
that person has, the मतलब उसका character कैसा
Yeah,
है
yeah.
and what is his
Deep
basic
down-
you know.
Deep down, you will have an idea, is it platonic or not? तो आपको पता होगा अंदर से, you will have this feeling. आपको होगी, भले आप accept करो या ना करो, because especially girls, they have
Basically,
this
you
feeling.
yeah, and you know your partner.
Yeah.
I'm hoping you do at
Yeah.
least, because so many people are in so many relationships that have no real value or substance. I'm sorry to say, but
But they're just
then why are they even in the relationship? Sometimes I genuinely don't understand that, you know, why are you guys even together? Like,
it is in psychology we study about anxious attachment, so it is that.
it could be a lot
of
many
deep
reasons.
things, a lot of childhood picture comes into play and everything, so we cannot generalize.
No, but I'm talking about the
it.
frivolous ones.
Okay.
Just for the sake of being in a relationship, if you're
Yeah.
in a relationship, then I to don't appreciate that idea only at all.
Yeah.
And then to I don't know. Then just run. Then it's not platonic.
Now see, there's the second view also. If you see it from the perspective of the guy who is just genuinely have a good friend.
मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ही कॉमन चीज है जो बहुत लोगों के साथ होती होगी.
या तो अगर लड़कों के हिसाब से देखें और उसका सही में कोई अच्छी लड़की दोस्त है सही में,
Yeah.
then it becomes very frustrating also ना, कि
अच्छा.
अगर सामने वाला उसको बार बार बोले जा रहा है कि prove me, is it really true, is what I'm saying.
The basic thing is you know yourself also, you
Yeah.
know the other person also.
Yeah.
So now you know, is it that you're overreacting or is it that, you know, दाल में कुछ काला है.
So basically what happens is, if you're not secure खुद से, तो then it happens and
हाँ
then
वही
you are
मैं
the
बोल
red
रही हूँ
flag.
ना. Just know
Yeah.
yourself and know the person and then you know.
And trust
So,
your gut feeling.
Yeah. तो सारी situations में trust
Your
your
gut
gut feeling and go with it. And
you should also trust your gut feeling when it comes to subscribing and hitting the bell icon of our channel.
yes, so please subscribe if you like our content.
Yeah.
And relationships पे हमने एक podcast बनाया है which is actually very deep and it has a lot of good stuff.
मुझे लगता है वो लोगों को ना सीरियसली से पढ़ाई होती है ना, वैसे कर लेना चाहिए.
मतलब it genuinely has, we're not even kidding, it genuinely has. अगर आप
Yeah.
सही में वो पूरा देखो, you will,
Yeah.
I'm sure you will get some really amazing content out of it. So make the most out of these free videos that you're getting, you know, and enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. So
Thank you so much. I would like to say,
take हो गया मेरा.
मुझे आज से ना एक चीज़ इंक्लूड करनी है, मैंने शायद किसी पॉडकास्ट में कर चुकी है, कि अगर जो लोग अपन का लास्ट तक देखते हैं ना, वी हैव टू अप्रिशिएट देम अ लिटिल बिट मोर, सो वी कैन गिव देम एनी रैंडम इमोजी, so that we know that अच्छा इन्हें लास्ट तक देखा पॉडकास्ट.
But then they have to do it now. What do we give?
We should tell them कौन सी emoji लगानी है उनको comment में.
Acha, you can drop a heart.
No, that is very common.
Then you can drop a star.
Yeah, star. Okay, drop a star so
Because
that we know.
you're a superstar for watching
Yeah.
our video till the
And
very
we
end.
will personally reply to you.
Yes. So yes, that was it. Take care. Bye bye.